Welcome to the series all about counting. Episode number 4A. Examples on permutation with altogether concept. Consider this problem. In how many ways can we arrange 6 boys and 4 girls in a row for a photograph such that all the girls are always together? Solution of this problem. We have to arrange 6 boys and 4 girls in a row for a photograph such that all the girls are always together. So see here, in this case, we will consider 4 girls as one group like this. And the 6 boys, we will consider them as 6 individual objects like this. So count here, this is one object, that is the group of 4 girls, plus these 6 boys as 6 individual objects. So total we have to arrange 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 objects. This can be done in 7 factorial ways. Now we will go to the group of girls. In this group, these 4 girls, they can interchange their positions. So inside the group, they can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. So all this is explained here. Consider 4 girls as one group. This group of girls and 6 boys, that is in all 7 objects, can be arranged in 7 factorial ways, and 4 girls inside the group in 4 factorial ways. To find out the final answer, we will again go back to the product rule from the fundamental principles of counting, because here we are using the word and therefore the corresponding number of ways will be multiplied to get the final answer. Therefore, the number of arrangements with all girls together is equal to 7 factorial multiplied by 4 factorial. So it is 5040 multiplied by 24. So the final answer is 1,20,960. Now we will see some similar questions which you can try on your own. Question number 1. How many words can be formed by using the letters of the word father such that the vowels are always together? Like the previous problem, here we will take the one object as the group of vowels and the consonants can be considered as individual objects. Problem number 2. In how many ways can we arrange 2 books of mathematics, 2 books of statistics and 3 books of economics on a shelf such that the books of same subject are always together? Here we will have 3 different groups, one for each subject. So this is the hint. This will be first group of mathematics. This is the second group of statistics. And this is the third group of economics. So first we can arrange these 3 groups in 3 factorial ways. Then we can move towards the individual group and we will get the number of ways of arranging the books inside each group as 2 factorial, 2 factorial and 3 factorial. Using this hint, you can easily reach to the final answer.